Great job on the mission, guys. We should do something to celebrate.
That sounds like a great idea. What should we do?
Do you guys have any ideas?
A new toy store opened up pretty close to here. How about we go shopping there?
Oh, that sounds like fun.
That's a great idea. We can all pick out toys that we want.
I can't wait to buy new toys.
To the toy store.
Hey guys, welcome to the AWESMR Kids Toy Shop. Have a look around, and I'll ring you up when you're ready. All right, everyone, here's the drill. Split up and shop for toys. Bring them to the cashier whenever you're ready.
Let's go.
I'm ready to check out. All right, let me ring you up. Let's see how much this Disney Mystery Mini Box is. This is going to cost you $3. Your next item is this Hatchimals Collectibles. Let's see how much it costs. This is going to cost you $4. And your last item is this Incredibles 2 mystery box. Let's see how much this is. This is going to cost you $3. Alright, your total came out to $10. How would you like to pay? Here you go. Looks like Chase is paying in cash, and he gave us $20. That's more than we asked for, so we have to give him 20 minus 10, which is $10. Here's the $10 bill. Here you go, Chase. Thanks for shopping with us. Thank you very much. Let's see what toys I got. Here, let me help you with that. Let's start with this Disney Mystery Mini figure. Nice! We got Mickey Mouse! Now let's check out this Incredibles 2 mystery box. Awesome! We got one of my favorite characters, Frozone. Last but not least, let's check out this Hatchimals Collectibles. Let's rub this purple heart to crack the egg. Once it's pink, we can poke through and see who's inside. Check it out! We got a pink parakeet.
All right, I'm finished shopping.
Let's ring you up. Okay, your first item is a Shimmer and Shine surprise toy. Let's see how much this will cost you. This is going to cost you $2. Now let's see how much this LOL Little Sister surprise toy is. This is going to cost you $4. And let's see how much this My Little Pony blind bag is. This is going to cost you $2.50. Alright, Sky, your total is $9.50. How would you like to pay?
Here's my card.
Awesome! Sky is paying with a card, so all we have to do is swipe, and we're done. Nice and easy. Thanks for shopping with us, Sky. Here's your card back.
Thank you so much. Time to go open my toys. Let's see what I got.
We can help with that too. Let's start with this Shimmer and Shine surprise toy. Today we got a Winter Sparkles Mirai. Here's a closer look at Winter Sparkles Mirai. Now let's check out this My Little Pony blind bag. Today we got Lady Gaval. She talks to friends often. Here's a closer look at Lady Gaval. Alright, now let's check out this LOL surprise toy. Here's the secret message. Play button plus time equals... It's playtime! Here's the sticker. Here's our LOL surprise doll. It's Lil Pranksta. Here's a closer look at Lil Pranksta. And she's a color-changing doll, so if we dip her in cold water, watch what happens. She truly is a pranksta. Her entire outfit changed. And we can change her back by using warm water. Here's one of her accessories. We get one shoe. Let's put that one shoe on her foot. And our final accessory is this giant popcorn bag. Let's put Lil Pranksta in the popcorn bag, and she can go prank some people. Okay, I'm ready to check out. Awesome, let's ring you up. The first item is this Paw Patrol's Mashems. Let's see how much this will cost you. $1.50. The next item is this unicorn egg. This will cost you $2.50. And your last item is this Troll Series 6 blind bag. This is going to cost you $2. Alright, Rebel, your total is $6. How would you like to pay? Here you go. Nice! Rebel gave us the exact amount, so he's good to go. Put the money in the register. And thanks for shopping with us, Rebel. Woohoo! I can't wait to open these toys. I hope I get something good. Let's find out. Let's start by checking out this Paw Patrol's Mashems. Well, well, well. We got Super Pup Rubble. What a coincidence. Now let's check out this Troll's blind bag. Awesome! We got King Peppy. Now let's check out this unicorn egg. We got a pink unicorn doll. Pretty cute. This is also a keychain, so that's pretty cool. What do you guys think about this unicorn poop doll? Well, I hope you had fun today. If you did, be sure to hit that subscribe button for more awesome videos. See ya!